everyone was sitting in a very, very disciplined manner as well. It was quite strange for civilians.
It's a wonderful feeling and such an honor that we got this opportunity. We showed it at the Tribeca in New York to the mainline press in America. They were completely identified with the film.
People have a few apprehensions about the duration of the film, like it's 3 hour plus.
Why should we work backwards from the time that it is X amount of hours long? That is the reason it should have X amount of effect. Listen, we live in the emotional world. Either you emotionally connect or you don't emotionally connect.
Why is it that Mughal-e-Azam, मैं पीछे से आता हूँ, Guide, Johnny मेरा नाम, Mother India, all 3.5 hour films. Rang De Basanti. Yeah, so people have embraced these movies.
It's a huge honor and privilege to have Rakesh Mehra and Prasoon Joshi with us here in the Army Cantonment in Chandigarh, where a screening of Bhaag Milkha Bhaag is taking place right now. It's a Thursday, the movie is releasing tomorrow. Huge pleasure to have you guys on Bollywood Hungama, and congratulations for making I think, a tremendous film. First of all, how was the experience of just showcasing this film to the Army personnel and the way they were sitting? I think everyone was sitting in a very, very disciplined manner as well. It was quite, I think, strange for civilians in the first place.
Well,
Everyone sat in attention actually.
When you dragged us out, the film had just begun and the first 20 minutes have happened.
Right.
And it was very heartening to see that everyone is laughing, they are with the movie, they are applauding, they are clapping. And it's a wonderful feeling. And to be here in the Army Cantonment is... can't describe the feeling. With words ही होंगे, things like pride and feel proud comes out, but it's such an honor that we got this opportunity. Milkha sir was in the army and he's the army's child. The army, he joined the army in 1954 and then the army groomed him. The army discovered the athlete in him and gave him the platform through which he kind of went and conquered the world and broke the world record, among many other achievements of it. So that we have come back and just समर्पित की है ये फिल्म हमने इंडियन आर्मी को ही की है और it's not just कि चंडी मंदिर में चंडीगढ़ में दिखाया जा रहा है 125 army centers all across the country will witness the film first in the world. Outside the press, critics, of course.
I think I told Prasoon the other day as well, this is a movie which is not merely for Indians or Indians in diaspora as such. I think this is a movie that the world should be watching. Because it's a tremendous story of underdog and how he just went on to just win the world somewhere, break the world record, and even the personal turmoil is amazing over there.
It's so strange you're mentioning that. Just recently we were in London, the whole team, myself, Prasunji, Farhan, Sonam, and we showed the film to the mainline press there. They got to see it and their view was the same. One day later, just day before yesterday, we showed it at the Tribeca in New York to the mainline press in America. And they were completely identified with the film. It transcends language barriers. It transcends the feeling, the emotion is so wonderful. Is so identifiable with any human being. It's about human emotions. And it's... definitely, you're so right that the story should be told to the world. And that has been the endeavor, right from conception, the thought process, and the execution, the way it is performed and acted out and put together. And the whole thing is that we should be able to, with such an inspiring story, such a great Indian hero, we should be able to go out in the world and with pride say, here is a story of an Indian. Please see it.
Somewhere people have a few apprehensions about the duration of the film. Like it's 3 hour plus, and generally the way it is considered these days that 2 घंटे 2.25 घंटे की picture होनी चाहिए and all that stuff. Lagan was 3 hours 45 minutes. No one just had any issues with the duration because it flows very naturally. Do you think it's a fair apprehension on some parts, or do you think that it will be once they watch it they won't have any apprehensions whatsoever?
I find it quite funny actually. You know, when you spend time with someone you like, आप क्या कहते हैं, यार आपके साथ वक्त का पता नहीं लगा बोलते. आप ये नहीं काउंट करते कि मैं 2 घंटे के लिए बैठा, 3 घंटे बैठा, 4 घंटे बैठा था. अभी क्या हो रहा है, people think they have to calculate backwards. A successful film has to be timed first and then you have to like it. The fact is, when you got up from the film, did you look at your watch and if you did, then maybe there is something we should worry about. But why should we work backwards from the time that it is X amount of hours long? That is the reason it should have X amount of effect. Listen, we live in the emotional world. Either you emotionally connect or you don't emotionally connect. And as I said, आपके साथ वक्त का पता नहीं लगा is human truth.
कैसे गुजर गया वो?
Correct. और वो 5 घंटे भी हो सकते हैं. Sometimes all of us friends sit and we are sitting together till 5 o'clock in the morning and suddenly somebody says 5 बज गए यार. God, we started at 7 o'clock. Now, did you think that these hours were not worth spent? These hours are worth spent. You actually didn't even realize. But if somebody told you at 2:30 I'll tell you that it is enough, then probably you would have said, maybe I should see 2:30. Oh, I spent already 4 hours with you. Now I must be bored. I mean, this is not how emotional world functions. And I think I would say it should be absolutely left to people if they realize and their verdict, उनकी verdict सर आँखों पे.
सर वो ओलंपिक में नंगे पैर नहीं दौड़ सकते.
तू जा जब तू जाग दिल का तू है आग मिलता.
To where this all has this originated, the lens story is from the exhibition circuit, not from the makers and the artist and the filmmaker. So what happens if your film is slightly smaller, or if it's a 2-hour film, 2 hour 10-minute film, आपको लगता है कि दिन में 5 शो चला लेते हैं, 8 चला लेते हैं तो शायद ज़्यादा कमाई हो जाएगी. That's a fallacy. Because if that was the truth, then every 2-hour film should be a huge hit. Why is it that Mughal-e-Azam, मैं पीछे से आता हूँ, Guide, जॉनी मेरा नाम, मदर इंडिया, all 3.5-hour films, शोले, हाँ, गदर, हाँ, लगान, दिल चाहता है 3 hours 18 minutes, 14 अकबर, रंग दे बसंती. Yeah, so people have embraced these movies because the correct length of the film, I'll tell you, is what, as a maker. The correct length of the film is that it should not be 1 frame extra. अगर वो एक्स्ट्रा है तो आपकी फिल्म वो 1 फ्रेम से या 1 सेकंड से लेंदी है. हम एक फिल्म बनाई थी, बड़े सोच के बनाई थी, बड़े दिल से बनाई थी, दिल्ली 6, 2 घंटे 20 मिनट की थी. आपको वो ज़्यादा पसंद है कि भाग मिल्खा भाग जाओ? बस
I've always said Delhi 6. I did not really.
नहीं, मैं लेंथ की बात को अब औरों की तरफ उंगली नहीं उठा के मैं अपना ही एग्जांपल दे रहा था.